our ancient family. Where did we come from? Humans are curious. We want to know where we came from. How did humans get here on Earth? It's a big question. Scientists look way back in time. They study the origins of humanity. This means they try to understand the very beginning of humans. We weren't always like we are now. Our story goes back millions of years. It's a story of change and adaptation. Over a very long time, life on Earth changed. Some of those changes led to us. Darwin's big idea: life changes over time. Charles Darwin was a scientist who had a big idea. He called it natural selection. Darwin said that living things change over time. It happens very slowly. Animals with helpful traits survive better. Imagine giraffes with longer necks. They can reach more leaves to eat. They stay strong and have babies. The babies inherit those long necks. That's natural selection. Digging up the past: fossil clues to our ancestors. Fossils are like clues from the past. They are the ancient remains of plants and animals preserved in rock. Scientists find fossils of human-like creatures. These fossils tell us about our ancestors. Some fossils are millions of years old. They show how humans have changed. We can see how our brains got bigger and how we started walking upright. Lucy in the Afar Triangle meeting an early human. One famous fossil is named Lucy. Scientists found her skeleton in Africa. Lucy belonged to a species called Australopithecus afarensis. Lucy walked upright like we do, but she was much shorter than most humans today. Her skeleton helps us picture what early humans looked like a long, long time ago. Section 5. DNA, the instruction manual inside us all. Our bodies are made up of cells. Inside our cells is DNA. DNA is like an instruction manual. It tells our bodies how to grow and work. Scientists can compare the DNA of different people. They can even compare our DNA to the DNA of ancient humans. By studying DNA, we learn how humans migrated and evolved. Section 6. Out of Africa, the human journey across the globe. Scientists believe that humans first evolved in Africa. Then, groups of humans started to move to different parts of the world. This happened slowly over thousands of years. They traveled to Europe, Asia, and eventually to the Americas. As they moved, they adapted to new environments. Section 7. Modern humans, ancient roots, still evolving today. All humans alive today belong to the same species, Homo sapiens. But we still show traces of our ancient ancestors in our DNA. We are all part of a long, unbroken chain going back millions of years, and even today, humans are still evolving. Section 8. Why does it matter? Understanding our shared story. Studying the origins of humanity helps us understand who we are. It teaches us about human diversity and our shared history. It reminds us that we are all connected. Understanding our past can also help us create a better future. We can learn from our mistakes and build a more compassionate world. Section 9. Conclusion. The past informs the present and the future. The journey to understand our origins is ongoing. Scientists are always making new discoveries. Every fossil, every DNA analysis adds to the story. What we learn about our past helps us understand the present, and it gives us hope for the future.